Put it into what? First?
Put it into first.
I think it
Like,
is.
did you pull it out of third?
No.
Hey guys, Crank here, and today is going to be something a little different. I don't know how well you can hear me. I got the Dodge 12 valve Cummins in the background. Come on. Anyway, this is going to be a little different. I've been wanting to do this video. So my wife is in the Dodge right now, in the driver's seat, and she doesn't know how to drive a manual transmission. And you know, that's just a gosh dang shame, I tell you, because a lot of people don't know how to drive a stick shift these days. And no, she needs to learn how to drive a stick shift, because a lot of my vehicles are manuals because I like to drive a manual, you know. Anyway, this video is teaching her that, and also we've got a pretty big purchase to tell you about. And I've been wanting to tell you all about this for a while. We bought a farm. That's right. We bought a farm. Now, we've been living here for a while. We've been renting our house, and there's the garage. I do own the land that the garage sits on, but we bought the farm beside it. So yeah, we're going to talk about where we're going to potentially build a house in the near future back here. And really what that depends on is how well my wife does learning on driving this stick shift. I figure if she's going to learn how to drive one, what better to do it than a 12 valve Cummins, because this thing's really easy to drive. I mean, you don't have to give it any throttle. So we're going to see if she can drive us back there to where we want to build the house, so we can talk to you all a little more about it. So let's see how this goes. All right, so we're here with my wife, Sarah Crank, and we're going to see if she can learn how to drive a manual transmission. So we got the parking brake on, so go ahead and press the brake and release the parking brake. With your hand, you're going to pull that little lever. There we go. All right. So go ahead and press the clutch in. How's that feel to you? Okay?
Yeah, it's a little resistance.
Yeah, a little bit there. All right. So go ahead and push that all the way in and put it into first gear. We are starting downhill, so it should be pretty easy. Now just slowly let out of the clutch. We're actually probably going to go a little slower once you let it out. Oh no, we picked up a little bit. Let all the way out of it. You can give it a little bit of juice. All right, now go ahead and press the clutch in. Let off the juice. Shift into second. Yeah, there we go. Now let off the clutch slowly. Give her a little juice. I don't know how exciting of a video this is going to be. Maybe the Dodge is a little easy. Just go around to the... We're going to drive to back where we're going to do the house. So, oh, you're not going to take the road.
Oh,
you're going to...
Sorry.
Got to go through the field. All right, hey.
Which direction you wanted me to go?
So we do have a road down to the side here, but we are going to make the road. If you just want to follow the knob up through there, it's fine. The road's down there. We are going to make the driveway up here. So give her a little juice, get going, and see if you can get into third. Go ahead and shift into third now. Clutch.
There it goes. I was waiting.
It might have been fifth.
Oh.
It might have been fifth gear. That's all right. So we'll go back to first. Whoa!
Yep. More of what you were expecting?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so we'll start it back here.
Clutch all the way in.
Clutch in. All right, now give it just... Because we are on a hill going uphill now. So you were going downhill, now we're going up. So, yeah, just give it a little bit of juice and... Oh, good enough. All right. So, guys, here we're wanting to build our house back here, and so this would be sort of where the driveway would be. Right now, it's a hay field, and you can shift into second if you'd like to give that a shot. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that ain't bad. Not doing bad, is she, guys? Let's go ahead and cut over here. That's where we're going to talk about building the house. So we do own, well, you can't really see in the camera because the window's dirty. We do own about 70 acres back through there. So this is where we're going to want to build the house. So if you just want to pull over there, that's where the house will be. See how well she can come to a stop here. Just put it neutral or stop. You don't need to put it
How do I
first.
put it in neutral?
Just right there, baby. Just
Okay.
right in the middle.
Alright. Sorry, there's not a
No,
marking
I
for
know.
neutral.
Yeah,
Everything else is labeled.
That's a fair point, yeah. It's just sort of in the middle there where it's loose.
In neutral
All right,
position.
well, there you go. So, you want to put the parking brake on? We'll just leave it running because it doesn't shut off by the key at the moment. We don't have the solenoid in and the cable is loose. So, guys, this is where we're wanting to build. It's here. Gonna have this little pond there over the hill, but the driveway sort of come in around the barn, come up on that little knob and just pull over to this way. So like I said, we've got about 70 acres, 69, 70 acres. I think it's 70, including the 1 acre that the garage sits on. And then the house and the farm is on 69 acres, I believe. But yeah, so that's what we're talking about doing. Just building the house here. Honestly, guys, just housing prices to build are ridiculous right now, and I don't see them getting any better. But the price to build is expensive, and then the loan rates are up, also expensive, just making it hard to do right now. But hey, if you all want to see videos when we do break ground and stuff, drop a comment below. We'll see what we can do. But there she is. She did pretty good, didn't she? Like, don't tell her I said that, but she did way better than I thought. I thought it was going to be way more entertaining for you guys. You know, maybe the 12 valve made it just a little too easy for her. That 5-speed. I don't know about you all, but I think this truck is cool. I hate to tear it up, but you know what? Well, you can't see the Lodestar from here. But that Lodestar is even cooler. But yeah, we'll pull the engine, trans, rear diff out of this thing, some other stuff, and yeah, get her in the Lodestar. Let's see if she wants to go down the road. You know, let's see if she wants to take it. Our daughter is currently at her brother's house. So, do you want to go pick Caniston up?
Not really, not while I'm driving, no.
Yeah, it'd be fine. You did good.
In an open field.
Yeah, we'll be on the open road.
The open 1-lane road.
It's 1.5. You got it. It's fine. It's fine. Just do what you did, other than killing it, which we were going a little slow. You know, so that's all right. Yeah. Brake off. How much fuel do we have over there, actually?
It's almost on empty.
She's pretty low. All right.
No, I can feel it.
Oh,
I can feel it.
what was that? I don't even know what happened there. You're in gear, right?
I'm in gear.
You're in first. So, just, yeah. A little fast there, but that's fine.
Okay. Didn't die
So,
again.
yeah. Let's go ahead and shift into second. Yeah. Slowly let off. There we go. Yeah, that's not bad. Got the old Lodestar over there. Our barn is pretty rough shape, as you can see. I did cut down some trees and stuff that was sort of growing behind it, but there's all the stuff I sort of tore out from behind the barn there. There she is. There's the Lodestar. Yep, that's what this engine, trans, all that kind of good stuff will be going in. So whenever we get to the end of the road, just go ahead and clutch in. Make sure to clutch in. and then we'll just throw it first and slowly take off if nothing's coming. Go ahead and clutch, clutch, clutch. Put it in first.
I thought about it.
Yeah. Yeah, I can tell you're not used to using a clutch because you're trying to come to a stop just now, like you're regular without a clutch.
I normally feel like I should stop.
Pick up a little bit of speed. All right, clutch in and let off the throttle. Hit third. Slowly let off and get back in the gas, or the throttle. Babe, you're ready. You're driving a manual.
Very slowly.
Hey, if you can drive one slowly, I guess you could probably drive one quickly.
So now how do I turn into their driveway here?
All right, so if you want, you can just come to almost a complete stop, clutch in, clutch in. Right. Now just put it in the...
Put it in a what? First?
Put it into first. Yeah.
I think it is.
Did you pull it out of third?
No. That's
well,
what I'm saying. I'm trying to pull it
first.
out.
So go back into first. Clutch in.
Okay, it's in.
Start it. All right. Now just you're in first.
It's in first, right?
Slowly let out of the clutch. All right. Now our child is up there.
Judging me.
Our child is up there. You do not want to hit her.
Yeah. And they're innocently playing in bubbles.
Yeah. There it is. Just playing with bubbles, not knowing what's coming at her, not knowing what dangers are right here. So just go ahead and clutch in, put it neutral.
Okay.
All right. You can turn the key off. Yeah, it won't shut off. So go ahead and hit the brake.
The parking brake?
Yeah, parking brake. All right, there you have it. So I just realized as I'm editing the video here behind me that I didn't do an outro to the video. We just sort of got there and stopped, and that was it. So this is the ending of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Drop a comment below if you've made it this far. If you have, I really appreciate it. Actually, you know what? If you've made it this far in the video, do a hashtag stick shift. Yeah, save the manuals, am I right? So I may not be the best teacher because I'm watching this video and I definitely should have given my wife some more information on just some of the things she should have been doing as she was driving and stuff. But that's okay. She did really good. She did a lot better than I thought she was going to do. Had a few hiccups, but those probably were my fault. You know, if I'd have just gave her a little more information, maybe she would have done a little, you know, maybe she wouldn't have had those hiccups. Anyway, that's where we're going to end this video. So drop a comment below just to let me know what you think of this. It was a little different than our normal videos. For one thing, it had my wife in it. She doesn't really care to be on the camera. She did great, I think. And I like the dynamic that it gave her video. So if you also like that, let me know. Maybe we can sweet talk her to being on camera a little more. Anyway, yeah, like I said, drop a comment there. Do a hashtag, you know, stick shift. As well as, check this out, guys. We got some shirts. Now, this is just a quick little, you know, see if it'll work type of deal. And I got these local. I've got to mess with I've got to change the design a little bit. As a quick thing, we just got back from Rod Run, and I wanted a couple shirts for Rod Run. So I got a couple shirts for myself, and then my wife and daughter. So if you think you'd be interested in a shirt similar to this one, drop a comment below and let me know that you'd be interested, potentially interested in a shirt. I'll still have to figure out the logistics how to do that. I don't have a website. I guess if there's a lot of interest in the t-shirts, maybe I
do a website. You know, I used to have one, it didn't really work out, but maybe I do that again. Anyway, we'll see you later, YouTube. Bye.
Well, bye.